Right? Good looking. What'd you get? I'm so delirious. Okay, seriously, you're like, let's make this video. Now you're not even, no, we're not even doing anything.
Everything funny is gone now because you wasted it all on your big fat monster mom.
Sorry, there's a piece of cat hair in my mouth. Turn it down.
I didn't mean to turn it up.
That was a terrible scream. I scream better, don't worry. Where'd it go? What the pretzel?
What the junk?
What the pretzel? Where'd it go?
Hey, can I cut your hair?
Where's the pretzel?
Well, let's get the tape off the chair.
And these teardrops everywhere. Oh, I found it.
There's one behind the bed, too.
Are you serious? Mouth shot. Sing it, girl. That's boring. Do the elephant. Do the elephant. You gotta make the noise. This is no fun. You can't even do it. You do the other arm so it doesn't look like you're just... That doesn't sound like an elephant.
Sounds like I'm giving birth.
Oh, okay.
If they trying to teach...
She called my mom an ulcer.
I didn't mean to.
She was like, oh my gosh, this ulcer is the size of your freaking mom. And my mom was standing right there.
She knew what I meant.
And she's like, I'm just going to leave now.
I love you, Mama. I'd like to make myself pee.
What?
Nobody...
What?
Hey,
That
Hey,
Sorry, I was making the cat dance. Wow, she's a retard. Don't ever.
Gagnet.
I think she's great.
Are you talking about?
Don't do it! Don't do it! Where'd it go? There it is. Please take me away from here.
Quit talking about me. Here, when I can hear you whispering, she's gone.
I'd rather stay awake. Oh my God!
Hey, Paul. Let's beat Kimberly.
You hit me with ball. Oh snap! Oh snap! Oh snap! Oh snap! I just sat on my cat. Ow! Oh! I just hit my foot.
You deserve it.
That was a jerky thing to say.
William says awesome that he's in our video because I'm
And it's awesome. Nobody cares.
At least I don't love Caleb.
I don't. All right.
That's not what Lauren says.
Well, nobody cares what Lauren says.
Ooh.
I'm just kidding, Lauren. If you're watching this, I love
so
you.
fluffy. I could just like look at this.
Lauren,
Look at that. Look at all that fur.
nobody cares.
You could like pick her up by it.
I'm so cold. I can't see tomorrow. I don't know where that came from. Dude, this looks wicked.
What?
Holding it right here because you can see all the way.
You're a freak.
You shut your pie hole.
If I were...
Look, you guys, it's raining outside.
No, it's if I were a cat. My bad. You
can't see. Is it even raining? I don't think it's raining anymore. That's gay. Me go, baby. No, I'm just kidding.
Dude, I hate this song.
To death shall be the death of you.
Does that say seduction?
Yes.
Oh my gosh. I didn't know that.
So seduction will be the... Wait, I don't even remember. I don't even remember. Do 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 do. Oh, I messed up my curtain.
Good. Because tonight we'll look at
That we're not
closet.
fighting. No, thanks.
Let's see what you have on
Could
mom.
it be that we have been this way before?
Was that necessary?
I was something in my throat, alright?
That was not necessary, Kimberly.
Yes, it was.
No, it wasn't.
Then down to the cold. Oh, I thought you were going to throw it.
Hold your breath. Ooh.
You dropped these.
Tonight will be the night that I will fall for you over again. Don't make me change my mind. I look like I gotta pee.
Yeah, you do. You're in the pee-pee dance.
I swear it's true. Because a boy like
This is
you is
boring.
impossible. Why would I say girl? I'm a girl.
Poor thing.
Impossible to find.
I love her.
Hold on.
Here it comes.
Song.
Brace yourselves. It's already interesting.
Shut up. This is not
Oh my gosh,
what I
here she goes.
intended.
What's she sticking into a
I
pin?
always swore to you
Somebody
I'd never
please
fall
help me.
apart.
Oh my gosh.
You always
I think my ears are bleeding.
that I was stronger.
She can't hear. Oh, she can't even hear a word that I was saying.
But I have loved you from the start. Oh, hold your breath. Wait, no. Because tonight will be the night that I will fall.
Anyways, let's look at the cat because it's a little bit more interesting. I'm sorry, that was really cold. So, yeah. Something else. More.
Because of, yeah.
Anyway, I'm so bored.
What are you videoing?
I don't even know.
Well, you're being boring, so let me
No, actually, you were being boring.
thanks.
I'm just kidding. I
I
love
really
you.
don't care. I'm just bored. My head hurts.
My dress. It's pretty.
Gosh, William is taking forever to reply. It's really aggravating.
William, freaking Caleb,
Caleb's a slow texter. You just have to get over that.
he sent a message
I'm trying to
at
break this pen. but
4
it's really,
at 4:46 and it's 5:20.
Ouch!
Who does that?
He does. Oh, look, you can stand.
Oh my gosh!
Yeah, like-
Yeah, you can stand on a chair. Duh. She's singing to me. Wonder if you guys can hear this. Oh well.
Woo! That's Allison Taylor's concert. And we are
Of boringness. Okay, this video should stop now.
I don't care.
Maybe. I like this song.
Holy crap, it's going like, you know? That's so cool.
Oh my gosh.
I'm fat. I'm fat, Kimberly. What are you doing trying to pat me with the finger thingy? No, you can't be because you're not cool like her. Hey, kitty. Get your furry, fluffy fur. Oh, don't get them claws out. No cat likes me.
Just squished her head. Ah! She broke my finger.
Touch your finger.
Look, you see, it's broken.
You lying. What is this?
It's called music, Allison.
Oh, really?
About to drop the camera. Paul. Oh. Baby, don't hurt me. This is great. Hello, Paul. Say hello.
Just wait, hold
Paul.
on.
Oh my gosh, here she goes again. Can't hear you. I'm just
Oh, I'm
kidding.
singing this out loud. I can't make my voice do that.
Sprinkler. Light bulb. Grocery cart. Mowing the lawn. Oh wait, that's the same thing.
Let's move along.
Oh wait, yeah, never mind.
I can't do that. See, I can't do that.
Me neither, girl.
How do you do that?
That one was a little bit better.
Okay.
Paul's nose.
Says she got
That was really funny. That reminds me, it's my muffin.
Muffin top. I ain't got one of those.
I used to call it a carrot top.
When I got that phone call.
Because this video is boring. Okay, Allison, we need to stop it now.
Alright.
Wait, say bye.
Bye.
What a freak. Don't ever listen to Allison.
You said you stopped.